What's up, traders? A very quick update on natural gas, gold, and crude oil. So, without wasting any time, let's quickly jump on to our analysis with natural gas. So, right here, what do we have? What a perfect double bottom push up. You have been following me from last couple of months, and you know how we take double bottom entries and how we use these zones to take our counter trades. Now, let me quickly show you what I've said in my previous video so that I can show you how we enter trades. This will be a good zone to exit your trade. 8.432 goes up to 8.584 because I'm expecting a little push down from here. If the market keeps on pushing up, I'm expecting market to hit 8.860, goes up to 9.299. Okay, awesome. What do we have now? Again, if you follow me from last couple of months, then you know how I trade double bottom. We enter with an engulfing candle, then we use 180 as a target, then we mark a neckline, and the next entry, which is a less aggressive way, is right after the break, and right after the break we have another push up. So this is how you take double bottom entries. I think so I have a video on it as well. I will try to put a link down there in the description. So add now what to expect from natural gas. As at this point we are in a major selling area. This is the seller's zone and this is a supply area from where we can expect a very good push down. If you look at on 1 hour time frame, we had a recent push down from here. So that is why right here, if you look further back, a strong level of resistance, market fallen dramatically from here. Very good level of support, market pushed up dramatically from here. So that is why it is a very important level, and this is the last time I want to see a fall. And if you follow me, then you know that I only look for 3 falls from the same zone. We already got 1, 2. I count as 1 fall because this is a more of double top, and this is also a more of double top on a daily time frame. You can see here now, as you can see, we are in a selling area. Now, have these zones on the charts. It is 8.860 goes up to 9.299. We can still expect a push up in and between this zone. We can still get a wick up here, something like this, something like this. Now, I want to look for one of the entry reason I teach you in my priority group and even in my YouTube videos. Or even if you are new, let me tell you what we look for. We look for an entry pattern like this. It is called a 382 candle. You can see I have a video uploaded where I teach you the different candlestick patterns. If you want to take a look at that, I will put the link in the description so that you will know how to identify the valid 382 candles and other engulfing candles. So look for one of this type of entry pattern, and if you see right after that we had an engulfing candle. This is a double confluence. We had bearish pressure. This single candle is enough to take short trade, but right after that we had another engulfing candle, which is a good sign that market will fall down, and which it has. Now at this point, once you are in this zone, look for a same reason: engulfers, pin bars, or a 382 candle or a 25% candle, and then you are good to take your short. If you do not get any sort of reason to enter, no entry condition, and if a market pulls and breaks up, then at that point we are not taking sell trades. And let me go back on 1 hour time frame, sorry, a 4 hour time frame. Once this candle is closed, if the next candle is bigger red candle, that's an entry, something like this. And if the market pushes up with few green candles, red engulfing candle, that's good for an entry as well. To get this move, a double top move, that is also an entry. And if you look back on 1 hour time frame, so looking at that, we can still get one green candle and then a red candle. Let me show you. This was a trade we have taken, I think so, 2 weeks ago. Right here, if you get something like this is a very good reason to enter as well. And again, the target will be 1 ATR. If you're entering on 1 hour time frame, the ATR will be lower and the targets will be lower as well. If you get a condition on 4 hour time frame, then you are taking bit larger target than 1 hour time frame. So you got all the conditions, you got all the zones here. Make sure you look for a good reason to enter. Quickly go through currency.com. Here again, we already hit this zone. We can still expect a push up in this zone, same as Owanda. Look for one of the reason to enter. Once you get a good reason to enter on 1 hour and on 4 hour time frame, you can take your entries. You can, so if you are in my priority group, you can always DM me and check if you are taking a valid entry or not. I will guide you with that as well. So have the zones on currency.com. It is 8.878, goes up to 9.337. Let's move on to gold. Okay, as per my previous video, remember I've said that we can expect a retest. Retest has been done. We can still get a retest of 50 EMA, so don't get panic. And once you get a retest of 50 EMA, I expect another push up. Once you have a push up, we can have this pattern that can become a double top pattern, a very strong pattern to take sell trades. So not selling at this point until we hit this zone again or until we are broken below 50 EMA. So no reason to enter. We did not get any type of engulfing candle to take our long or short for the bearish engulfing candle. So have these zones there in case you miss this zone. This zone is 1805 goes up to 1811, which is a minor zone that can be broken easily as well. So if we do not get a reason to enter, then we can expect further push up. Let's check crude oil. Okay, now crude oil has broken above the level of resistance. Now if we look at 1 hour time frame, engulfing candle, but that would be a stop loss hit as well. So but that happens in trading. Now the market pushed up, broken above the previous level of resistance that will now act as a level of support. At this point, I will go back on 1 hour time frame, plot my Fibonacci tool, look for a retest in this buffer zone right here, 50% retracement, an aggressive entry right of the hit of 50% retracement, and that's your limit order. Your target will be 180R from here or 1618 retracement if you want to manage your position. So that's what I'm looking for. Crude oil, it's above the support. We already got this pin bar. As you can see, it pushed the market up from the support, and we can get a pullback before we take long trade. That's on a 1 hour time frame. That's all for commodity market, guys. If you're getting value out of my videos, please do not forget to hit a like button for me. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm. I hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.